Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will be seeing how you can use the Evernote to create a topic-wise list of your CSC syllabus. Now, since many of you have been asking this video, I am making this. This is gonna be a very detailed video. So if you keep watching it till the end, you'll definitely learn a few new things and you can implement them. To get more such videos, you can subscribe to this channel. So two disclaimers are there before we start this video. So the first is that you can create your Evernote account from the link given in the description. And the second thing would be, I'm using an older version of Evernote which you can download from the Google Drive link I have given in the description. Since the new version has many bugs and I do not update Evernote as frequently, so it would be good if we use the same version of Evernote. And this is the free version, so you need not buy anything. So that was about the information. So let's start with this video. After you download it, you will install it. You will get this. Just select OK and press next. Then you create your account with your email ID and give your password. And then register it. If you already have an account, you can select this already have an account below. Then your database will be created. And it will take some time before it gets open like this. So by default, there will be a first notebook for you, in which there will be this note, the power of the notebook will be available to you. You can learn many things by reading this article. However, I have created such videos. You can check them. I have provided the Evernote videos in the description. You can watch them and get new information. So first, this is how the interface looks like. There is first notebook. Then there is shared with me if anyone shares your notebook. And then there is tags, like you can assign tags to the notes. And then there is this trash can. We will open the CSC syllabus. We will initially create for the prelims exam for the paper 1, which is GS paper. So we will open the syllabus. And you can see there are current affairs, history, geography, polity, economics, environment and general science. So we will go to this Evernote, right click on the notebooks and create new notebook. Then since we will be preparing for the June 2021 prelims exam, so we will be creating current affairs for 1 year. So we will be starting from May 2020 and we will keep on creating such notebooks so that we can place our current affairs corresponding to that month in that notebook. So after we have created all those up to June 2021, you'll get this structure, like all the current affairs notes. So next we'll be creating a note about the history section. So for that, you can right click on any of the note and then write Indian history. The Indian history note will be created. Similarly, we'll create that for the geography. So right click, create notebook, and then geography. Then polity. Then the economic issues. So it is very simple to create notebook, like you have to right click on the note and then a new create notebook option will come and just create it. And then we'll create for the environmental issues. So you can see we are creating these GS notebooks for the prelims exam, paper 1. So we have created everything that is related to paper 1. And then many of you ask how you can create subnotes within a note. For that, there is an option called stack. You have to utilize that stack option and then you can create subnotes, any of the notebook, and then you must right click on that. When you right click, you will get this option like add to stack. Then create the new stack. When you press on the new stack, a new stack will be created. And you can rename it as prelims. Whichever you want, you can do that. Similarly, you will add all those notebooks which we have created to this new stack, which I have named as prelims. So you can see how I'm doing it. Right click, add to stack, prelims. Again right click, add to stack, prelims. So after you have completed this process, you will get a subnote within your notebook which will be assigned to the prelims. So as you can see, I'm adding all the current affairs monthly notebooks inside the prelims stack. we have created such stacks for the main exam also, so keep watching this video. So after we have created this prelims stack, you can see all those prelims related notebooks are inside this. Then what we will do is we'll go to this tools option and then go to this options, tools tab, options will go, and then these are some of the things which I prefer, so you can also check that. Like I will uncheck the automatically check for updates, and then I will also uncheck the helper notifications. These are not necessary, and also Evernote updates are usually not stable, so it is better to keep it unupdated. Then I will also uncheck all the synchronizes, because if you have so many notes, your Evernote will get hang. It will get stuck for some time, so which I don't want. And these are all the font tabs, like which type of font you want, what is the font size you want, you can keep it as your preference. I will not edit any of these other things in this note. And then you can check this show advanced options, and for the note merger options you should select the first one, which is merge notes with no separator. Then for the search option I will also keep it like this. There is nothing much to edit here. And the shortcut keys, I have created a video of the most important shortcuts, you can watch that. You will get important information. These are by default shortcuts. And then the language is also English. There is nothing to change here. Reminders, if any you get reminders you can, but I don't use any of these. And the clipping notifications, let us keep it at default. No need to change anything here. And this printing also nothing to add or change, so let these things be, and then press OK. Now we will be creating our Evernote notebooks for the mains exam. So first we'll create for GS1, which is Indian Heritage and Culture, History and Geography of the World and Society, Evernote, and right click and create a notebook, and then we'll keep it as Indian Culture, and then right click and go to add to stack, create new stack. This new stack will be created, and then you can rename this stack as GS1. So now we have created a stack. Next we will add all those topics which are in the GS1 syllabus, like this modern Indian history, and then we'll right click create notebook, the next topic which is freedom struggle. Then right click again create notebook, then post independence consolidation. Similarly we will create all those topics in the GS1. You can see I have created these for the time being. As you can see, the GS1 syllabus has been created. So now if you want to create a note, you just go to this new note, and then for that corresponding topic a note will be created. You can create any note, like for example I am creating here effect of globalization on Indian consumers, and then you can go to this white space and then you can write what are the effects that have occurred due to globalization, like fast food culture, mass consumption and all this. I'm just giving you an example of how you can create such notes. You can make it more detailed, you can add pictures and everything. I have made such videos, so you can check those in the I button. Also I'll be making such videos in the future. And then you can, by default you can change your note font and size. So if I want more size I can increase them, note font also, note heading also. Similarly, I'll create another note like effect of globalization on education, and correspondingly by bulleted points or paragraph, whichever you feel comfortable, you can create the note. So this is one way of creating a note in the Evernote. So up till now we have created the prelims and the GS1. Similarly, if you go to the prelims and Indian history, you can create a new note like role of moderates, the Gandhian effect on freedom struggle, contribution of women in freedom movement, Montague Chelmsford reforms. And then we will be creating for the GS2. So the same process which you have created the GS1, you can go there, add to stack, new stack. You will create a new notebook, Indian Constitution, and then you will remove the first notebook from that, and then rename the stack as GS2. So this is one bit which you have to be careful while creating a stack. If you have any doubts, you can rewatch this video to that point if you are having difficulty in understanding. And then this process is simple, like right click on the notebook, create new notebook, and likewise you can see all the GS2 related topics have been created. You can also adjust the slider of the Evernote. You can create a note assigned to that topic by pressing on the new note, and you can create whatever notes you want. You can add whatever content you want. It is very simple if you just understand the basics of using Evernote. Similarly, for the welfare schemes or the vulnerable sections, you can create more notes, migrant worker schemes, childhood, old age, women related, everything. You can add bulleted point notes, paragraph notes, pictures, or you can copy paste on PDF. Everything is possible here. Now we will be creating for the GS3. So GS1, GS2, how we have created, the same process we will be following here for the GS3 also. And we have created all the topics which are in the GS3 in this GS3 stack. So all these stacks are there inside the notebook stack, and then within these topics you can create new notebooks. Similarly, now we will be creating for the GS4, which is the ethics paper. We will rename it as GS4, and then we'll create such notebooks like aptitude, ethics and human values and all. So I'll give you a tip, like in ethics there are various terminologies like values, integrity, morality, conduct, and also you can create a new notebook, and within that notebook you can create new notes. Such as for attitude, for the social influence and persuasion, foundational values of civil services. So when you create these new notebooks and the new notes inside that notebook, it will be easier for you to make notes for that related ethics term. And then we will be creating a new notebook of the contribution of moral thinkers. There are various thinkers which you can add to this notebook. And similarly, for all those remaining topics, we'll be creating new notebooks in the GS4 stack. We have created, you can see all these notebooks are here. GS1, there is updated, there is access, like if you want to share it with someone you can share them also. So there is GS1, 2, 3, 4 prelims. You can see a long list of topics. Now you can easily create whichever notes you want in the corresponding topics. So in this way we will be able to remember the syllabus also, and at the same time we will be able to understand the topics also. You can also style your notebook titles, like you can go here, right click on style, and you can change this color, and you can change it to blue, and you can change it to orange, and also italics, bold, and you can set it as default. Then all those notebooks will be turned into the same color, like you can see GS2, GS3, GS4. Similarly, you can change the color also. Now I have kept it as green color. Now all the notebooks are here green in color. The color option is not as customizable as in Notion app. If you want to create individual notes, you can do that. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to this channel to get such more videos. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.